It's a systemized way of life. Whether that is the universe, whether that's the religion that you subscribe to. So now with this, we're ready to ask the question, is your life and mine defined by a similar level of organization, patterns? Are our lives driven by goals? Or are we just tumbling through life, be honest? Walking through the corridors of existence and just hoping that opportunities will open up, come what may. Is this how a hereafter is established? Is this how a house in Jannah is built? How can we live like this, my brother, my sister, when the universe around you is a daily reminder, and the religion you subscribe to is a daily reminder that this is not how Allah Almighty wants you to live, but wants you to be organized and goal-driven. What is your goal in life as a believer? What is your 30-year project? We cannot be just floating through existence and hoping that doors will open and somehow we will then earn the highest gardens in Jannah. The Quran is evidence against that. The skies and the planets are evidence against that. And I give you 3 analogies if the message is still a little bit vague or unclear. The first of those analogies. Imagine if we were sat on board of an aircraft, an aeroplane, and then we asked the captain or the air hostesses, where is this aircraft going? And then they say, we don't really know. We're just cruising in the air and we're just going to see where it takes us and where we end up landing. We're just going to hope for the best. Can you imagine? Is that an acceptable answer? There would be chaos in the aircraft. The reality is that you only jump on board of an airplane when you know the where and the to and the how and the what ifs and with whom and the whys. You've answered all of those questions. Then you go on a plane. So if this is how we operate and this is how we plan and this is how organized we are when it comes to a worldly journey, how much more organized should we be on the way to Allah Almighty and the home of the hereafter? What is the goal? What is your 30-year project? Have you answered those questions, my brother, my sister?